Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to today's English class. The topic for today's class is subject, object and predicate. In this class, we will discuss the definition of subject, object and predicate and how we can find them in a simple sentence. Starting with subject. The subject is the person, place, animal or thing that performs the action in a sentence. It means that subject is the doer in any sentence, the one which is doing any type of action. For example, Ali plays football, the cat is sleeping, my teacher teaches English. In these sentences, Ali, the cat, and my teacher, they are doing some type of action. That's why they are subjects. Moving forward to object. The object is the person, animal, or thing that receives the action of the verb. The action that is done by the subject is received by object. For example, Sarah reads a book. In this sentence, Sarah is the subject, reads is the verb, and the action reads is being done on a book. A book is an object. The boy kicked the ball. In this sentence, the boy subject is doing the work on the object, the ball. We watched a movie. In this sentence, we, the subject, is doing a work on the object, a movie. Now, coming on to the predicate. The predicate tells what the subject does or what happens in a sentence. It means that predicate is basically the main part of the sentence because it is telling us what the subject is doing and basically what is the sentence about. For example, the baby is crying. The students are studying. Ahmed won the race. In the first sentence, the baby, the subject is crying. Is crying is predicate which tells us that subject what is basically the subject doing. The students are studying. In this sentence, the students are the subject. Are studying is predicate which is telling us about what is happening in the sentence. Ahmed won the race. In this sentence, Ahmed is the subject and won the race is basically the predicate which tells us what is happening in the sentence. If we sum up today's lesson, starting with subject, a subject is basically the doer in a sentence. Object is receiving the action from the subject, and predicates tells us what is basically happening in the whole sentence. I hope all of you understand the concept of subject, object and predicate. If there is any question, you can ask. Thank you for joining the class. Have a nice day. Allah Hafiz.